Jack, where's the piggy? Huh? Where's the piggy? Very good. Where's the dolphin? No. Where's your dolphin, baby? You just got him a minute ago. Where's your dolphin? Where's your cow? That's right, moo. Where's your turtle? Where's your turtle? Good job, Jack. Where is your dolphin? Very good, Jack. I would ask you, where's the pulpo? Where's the pulpo? Yes, it's in your mouth. Good job, baby. Now I'm going to ask you what I don't usually ask, okay? Where's the crab? Mama calls it a lobster. Where's the lobster? Your papa said, that's not a lobster, that's a crab. Where's the lobster? Huh? No. That's okay, because we haven't gone over. This is a crab. That's a crab. And this here, that's a pelican. Okay. So cow, moo. Moo, that's right. Turtle. Yeah, you know that guy, huh? Dolphin, we just learned this one 2 days ago. Dolphin. And piggy. Your little piggy. Yeah. Good job, Jack. You're so smart. What's today? Today is January 7th. Yeah. Love you. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Oh, let's teach sign language. Can you do milk? Milk? With both hands, like this. That's good. Very good. All right.